Karnataka's Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, currently facing allegations of corruption, has made a strong appeal for support from oppressed classes, portraying the charges against him as a part of a larger conspiracy to end his political career. At an event commemorating former Chief Minister D. Devraj Urs, Siddaramaiah defended himself by aligning his situation with Urs, another prominent figure from the other backward classes community.
ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಡವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ರೈತರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡೋರು? ಯಾರು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬಯಸಲ್ವೋ ಅವರು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡೋರು. ದೇವರಾಜ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗಲೂ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಬಂದಾಗಲೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ.
Siddaramaiah emphasized his commitment to social justice, particularly through his advocacy for a caste census, which he argues is essential for understanding the social and economic conditions of various communities and for implementing effective programs that ensure social equity.
ಜಾತಿ ಗಣತಿ ಮಾಡದೇನೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗತಿಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದಂಗೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ರೂಪಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ನ್ಯಾಯ ತಲುಪತಕ್ಕಂಥಕ್ಕೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಬೇಡ. ನಾನು ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೋಪ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಹೆಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹುನ್ನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
The corruption charges related to a site allotment scam involving the Mysore Urban Development Authority (MUDA) have escalated following Governor Thawarchand Gehlot's approval for an investigation and prosecution. Siddaramaiah, however, maintains his innocence, stating that throughout his 40-year political career, he has remained unblemished by any corruption scandal. He insists that the current accusations are part of a calculated effort to tarnish his reputation and force his resignation. Siddaramaiah has framed the controversy as a broader attack on his efforts to combat social inequality, particularly by those who are opposed to the social justice initiatives. In his defense, Siddaramaiah has also taken aim at the Bharatiya Janata Party, accusing them of being inherently opposed to the interests of the poor, backward classes, Dalits and minorities. Siddaramaiah further criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi, challenging his Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas slogan by claiming that the BJP's true agenda is the destruction of these vulnerable communities. Dear viewers, we ask you, does the central government really not care about the poor public? Are they truly just focused on saving their seats? We look forward to your response. Please make sure to write your answer in the comment section.